Let's dive into division. His superstars, ready to make mathematical. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome adventures with Let's Stud Sparkles. Alright, let's start dividing 46 by 2. We'll begin with the first divot, whiz 4. We bring down the 4 to start our first partial dividend. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You got it, it's 2. Let's ek, 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 from 4, leaving us with 0. Now remainder here. Awesome, Dab, you're doing fantastic. Now let's move to the next divot in our dividend. Tim, for the next step, we're looking at the div at 6. We bring down the 6 next to our remainder to make 6. How many times does 2 get into 6? Let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, it's 3. That our work, 3 times 2 equals 6. Exactly. Subtracting 6 from 6 gives us 0. We're all done. You absolutely crushed it. Huff of. We've divided 46 by 2 completely. Our answer is 23. So 46 divided by 2 equals 23. Great job, mathematicians. We've thus conquered long division L'Occitane Prize. Remember, every problem is a ants to shun. Keep practicing and you'll be a division wizard in no time. That's all for today. Keep that curiosity buzzing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, waving hand.